that we can make policy.
The Moolamylliang village in East Janta Hills district once again showcased a spectacular display of Christmas lights. Sutanga Saipong MLA Santa Mary Shilla inaugurated the 6th edition of this spectacular display of Christmas in the presence of other dignitaries. This initiative has successfully drawn visitors during the Christmas holidays since 2019, contributing to the promotion of tourism in the region. This year, the Christmas events will take place every evening from December 18th to January 3rd, 2025, with a variety of activities planned for participants of all ages.